how to create this simple animation in Davinci Resolve. Okay, so the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to add a keyframe of where we want our transition to end. About there I'll put for mine. And then we can click this little icon which shows our keyframes. Let's go to the start. I'm going to add 2 keyframes this time. 1, and go down a bit, and then scroll down to opacity. Put another one. If we go over to about the middle, we put that at 100. This one needs to be 0 actually. We have that, but we're not done there yet. What we're going to do is we're going to select this, put ease in, let's select this, ease out. Under Y position, we're going to select the keyframe, ease out, ease in. And then now we have this, and that is